This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable photo library access on the Instagram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now. To enable or disable photo library access for Instagram, you want to go into the device's settings. I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll to the bottom down to where it says Apps and tap on Apps. Then you want to find Instagram. These are in alphabetical order. Right here is Instagram. I'm going to tap on Instagram. And right up here is Photos. As you can see, I currently have limited access, but I'm going to tap on it. And it gives me three choices. I could have no access to my photo library, limited access, or full access. If I wanted full access, I would tap on Full Access. Then I'm going to once again tap on Allow Full Access. If I wanted no access, I would tap on None. That is how to enable or disable photo library access to Instagram on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.